So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can install VMware virtual machine in your PC. So as you all know this thing that now we can directly download VMware from their official website. Because of some maintenance issue they have stopped the download process from their official website. So I'm gonna take help of this website. So you can trust in this website. Without any virus or malware you can download VMware easily. So you see this, I'm gonna download this VMware Workstation for my PC. Wait, the download will automatically begin. Yes, wait little bit. Wait, accept it. Next. Finish. You see this, the VMware is working perfectly. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.